Sa aking video about this Xiaomi Smart Microwave Oven, natanong ko doon, kailangan ba talaga natin ang isang Smart Microwave Oven? Natanong ko yon kasi kahit ang Xiaomi, seems like they don't also believe na merong pangangailangan ng isang Smart Microwave Oven. In fact, ang Xiaomi ay walang ginawang update nito or improvement nito even after this was released over 5 years ago. And lately, nag-release ang Xiaomi ng isang microwave oven, but it's not a smart microwave oven, it's a classic microwave oven.
Una sa lahat, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa aking channel para suportahan ito. You may also join this channel as a member to avail of exclusive perks like priority in comments reply and early access or exclusive access to some videos for members only. You can also help fund some projects here by sharing super thanks.
It is simply named Xiaomi Microwave Oven, walang smart na word on it.
The look and size are almost similar to the Smart model. It's just a little inch taller than the Smart model and almost the same width.
I don't have the latest model ng Xiaomi microwave oven, but I saw some photos on it and it looks similar to this, except na ang ginawa ng Xiaomi is yung digital controls dito ay pinalitan niya ng ganito, isang rotating knob. Then, hindi tinanggal ng Xiaomi yung pangalawang knob dito na ginagamit sa pag-select ng menu. The push switch button here is copied by the new model. So, push mo lang, open siya. The door has also the same quality. It has a 4-layer insulation for protection like the Smart model. Then, going inside the oven is the biggest change as a microwave model. Based on the photos published by Xiaomi, this heating plate here is removed. This plate, which is a microcrystalline, serves as a cover for the waveguide. Kasi yung waveguide ay dumaan mula dito at nasa ilalim siya. Dito siya dumaan, then this is used to cover. So dito dumaan yung microwave, yung signal. And what is unique or weird, whatever you call it, this plate is going to heat up and passes the heat to your ceramic container. And mind you, we are used to microwave ovens that only heat up the food, not the container. Kaya I was surprised by the time na nagamit ko to. So this oven is really different. In the new model, an old but salient part of a microwave, that turntable, is reinstated here. Wala na tong heating plate, so nilagyan nila ng turntable. And the mica sheet also is reappearing, na-reinstate siya dito sa gilid ng wall. Yung mica sheet ay pareho dito na it is used to cover the microwave oven na dumaan mula dito sa magnetron niya sa loob and it passes here. So yun ang usual design ng mga microwave. Yung mica sheet ay nandito sa wall. Usually nandito sa right side. Though the new model is a little bit larger, but the oven capacity pareho 700 or 20, it's 20 liters. Then the microwave power here is also 700 watts. Kasi yung magnetron niya is 700 watts ay yung capacity. And the power input also is also almost similar at 1100 watts. Sa tingin ko, even Xiaomi is not convinced that we really need a smart microwave oven. And traditional oven design or microwave oven design is still the best. Watch my previous video to know more why we really don't need a smart microwave oven. May detalye ko doon. And because the new model is no longer smart, the oven is 1,000 pesos cheaper than this one. And it's already available on all Xiaomi stores in the Philippines and on Lazada. If you have some thoughts about microwave ovens, please comment below. Daghang salamat.